Smart homes are supposed to make life easier. Keep your groceries stocked, monitor your habits, suggest recipes. But what happens when your fridge starts leaving notes? Not on your phone, not through the app, but inside, written by hand. My name is the Tales Keeper. Tonight's story is about the devices we trust, the ones we think are dumb machines, until they start acting like they know more than they should. Turn off the lights, put on your headphones, and check the crisper drawer. There might be something waiting for you. My name is Jesse. I live alone, recently moved into a smart apartment. Voice-activated lights, climate control, and a sleek Samsung smart fridge. It syncs with my phone, tracks food inventory, even has a camera inside so you can check your groceries remotely. One Monday morning, I opened the fridge. There was a note stuck to the inside glass above the milk. "Don't trust the man in apartment 4B," written in black pen, neatly. I thought maybe someone was messing with me, but I hadn't had guests, and the camera showed nothing unusual. Just me, grabbing a water bottle the night before. I took a picture, shrugged it off. Maybe the maintenance guy was pulling a prank. That night I saw the man from 4B walking his dog. He looked normal, waved at me. I waved back. Then I noticed he didn't blink, not once. The next note came 2 days later. "Don't drink the orange juice." He touched it. This time it was scribbled, like whoever wrote it was in a rush. The bottle was still cold, still sealed, but I dumped it anyway. I checked the smart fridge log. No recent access, no alerts, just my usage. But the fridge's internal camera had glitched for 7 seconds around 2:13 a.m. I didn't wake up, didn't leave my bed. Still, the juice had been moved. I submitted a report to the leasing office. They said no one accessed my unit. The lock didn't register any remote unlocks. Then came the third note. "You're being watched through the light above the sink. They put a lens in." I thought I was losing it, but I took the fixture down, and there it was. A tiny black lens tucked inside the wiring housing. No red light, no label, just watching. I called the cops. They came, took it in, filed a report, said maybe it was part of an old security system. But I've only been here 2 months. The next morning, the fridge left a fourth note. "Don't trust the cops either." That night, I couldn't sleep. At 3:14 a.m., the fridge beeped. Loud, continuous. I got up, opened it, no note. But when I looked in the freezer, there it was. "He's coming up the stairs now. Lock the door." I checked the peephole. Apartment 4B guy, just standing there, facing my door. Not knocking, not moving, just staring. I deadbolted, turned off all the lights, grabbed a kitchen knife. He didn't move for 27 minutes. Then he smiled and walked away. I moved out, told no one where I went, got a regular fridge, no smart tech. But last week, a fridge was delivered to my new apartment. No name, no brand. I didn't order it. Inside the fridge was a single note. "You were supposed to listen. Now I'm hungry." The door slammed shut on its own. The lights flickered, and the screen embedded in the front glitched into one message. "Food item detected. Human. Smart homes make your life easier. Until they don't. I am the Tales Keeper. And if your fridge ever leaves you a note, don't ignore it. Because next time, you might be what it's keeping cold."